Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to read strategy tester reports in MT4. Alright, now the strategy tester in MT4 allows traders to backtest expert advisors and evaluate their performance. Okay, the report provides important metrics that help analyze trading results. So the first step is to open your strategy tester. You can just go to go to view and click on strategy tester. Okay, or you can press Ctrl R on your keyboard. All right, now you select the expert advisor. Change this to expert advisor if it is not an expert advisor already. Okay, select the EA that you would like to test. All right. Okay. You select the currency pair. Select the time frame. Okay. You can just leave the model at every tick, spread, current, then you start. All right. You click on start to run the simulation. Okay. So MT4 will simulate historical trades based on your EA logic. All right. Now the third step is to open the report. Okay, we are still waiting for the test to complete. Okay, so in order not to take much of your time, I had to just pause the video and run the test on Euro GBP, right? So once you are done with the test, you just go to report. Okay, and then you view metrics. You view the metrics in the report, right? Such as the total net profit, the drawdown, profit factor, number of trades, the winning and losing trades, right? You can see all this information here. Okay, so you can just analyze the informations in the report tab. Okay, analyze the data, use the reports to evaluate risk management effectiveness, trading consistency, long-term viability of the EA and all of that, right? So you can also adjust the EA settings, right? You can adjust the EA settings or strategies based on your findings, right? Now, a very quick recap: to read a strategy tester report in MT4, you have to first of all open the strategy tester. You select your EA. Okay, you select your EA, you select the parameters, right? And then you run your backtest. You run your backtest. After running your backtest, then you click on report. All right, you review the metrics like the profit, drawdown, and trade results. Okay, then you use your findings to refine strategies. All right, use your findings to refine strategies. This helps traders make data-driven decisions when testing automated strategies. Okay, so I hope you found value in this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.